Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram incorrect password error quickly and easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Instagram app, and now search Instagram app and click on the Instagram app. Now click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, nearby devices allow, notifications allow, phone allow, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar, search for Instagram. Now click on the Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, and open your Instagram. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.